Hey you guys, welcome back. I'm saying welcome back, but really it's a brand new video probably to you guys. I just did my apartment tour about 10 minutes ago, and now I'm gonna go to Target, or we were gonna go. It's kind of raining really hard. We might wait a little bit because I bought these Ikea shelves, and I wanted to show you guys how I put the Ikea shelves together and turn them into a wine bar or a cocktail bar, I guess. Whatever, you know those little bar carts that people have in their homes, and they put wines and glasses and stuff in them? Well, because I have a 1-year-old, I can't really do that. She'll get into it, she'll probably break the glasses, drink up all the alcohol. You know, we don't want a drunk baby running around. So instead, I'm gonna put my cart or my bar on the wall. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys how I do it. All right, so this is what this is what I'm wearing today. Just a white shirt that I got maybe a year or two ago from Naked Wardrobe. They were having a sale. And then I'm wearing these shorts that I got from Target. Sorry, the lighting is crazy. So I'm wearing these shorts I got from Target, and then we don't know shoes yet. Probably some slides. I always wear slides. And that's Kay in the back. And that's what she's wearing. Shorts and a black tee. And yeah, it's raining. Well, it's about to. We'll see. Oh, it is. You guys see that? I might sit out here for a little bit, watch the rain fall and think about life. We're here watching the rain fall. Yeah, it's getting pretty bad, or it's going to. Jelani's getting scared. Okay, so we had to put the hair up because it was raining so hard that I couldn't leave it down, but outfit's still cute. Time to go now that it's not raining as much. Alright, we're on our way. Alright, so we're here. We made it to Target, so stay tuned. We're gonna get some nails and some groceries and some wine. I had to distract her with Cheerios. So I usually don't ever buy fruit or anything from stores like this, but I really don't want to go anywhere else. So let's try and get everything we need. Bananas. Oh gosh. Maybe we're still gonna have Go. Oh, no. Found them. I did say I wanted to try raspberries one day, but we'll just stick to the blueberries. Lonnie's favorite. Every time I come, every time, always pricier than I imagined. Every time. So we just got back inside the car. We're gonna go to Lowe's. Kaylani was acting a straight fool as always. She dumped all her snacks inside the cart, the shopping cart, but it's okay. We're gonna go to Lowe's. We're gonna pick up just a couple more things and then we'll meet you back at the house. I'm sure it's gonna be either in lights or lawn and garden.
That's lawn and garden.
Yeah. All right, so we're back. So I'm just gonna do a little run through of everything I got. Okay, so mini haul. Picture frame. I got me and Kay matching sweaters. Some 1800s. So we stopped by Total Wine and I picked this up. A light. The screws, which this is the only thing I went to Target for, but obviously I don't know how to just do one when it comes to Target. So some pasta. We have these glasses. I got 2 of them. A little frother pitcher thing, I think, for like when I make my milk and froth it. I can put it in here or I can froth it in here. This beautiful candle, which I really like the scent, so I got that one and this other one. And then just like little decorative pieces to go on the shelf. I thought these would be cute and different and earthy. So I got all 3 and 4, and we'll see which ones I actually get to keep. Command hooks. And you guys already know I got some wine, because that was the whole point of this video, how to do a wine bar, cocktail bar, whatever it's called. Some apple juice, because they were on sale for $2 at Walmart. Blueberries, strawberries, and bananas. These are the shelves that I got from Ikea, and we're going to put these shelves hopefully on this wall. It's like a blank wall right next to my fridge, and I hope it's gonna turn out as nice as I think in my head it will. I got 2 of them because One of them's gonna be more geared towards like bar and drinks, and then the other one is gonna be hopefully growing my herb garden when I get it. I haven't gotten that yet, so yep, stay tuned. Okay, so had to take a break from the DIY because we're hungry, so we're gonna eat. I'm gonna cook us some pasta real quick, and then we'll get back to putting the shelves up and making it look nice. I put some blueberries on the plate for her, so she's just chilling. We're getting stuff underway. That's what I cooked. Just mac and cheese. Well, mac with ground turkey and vodka sauce. It's actually pretty good. Kaylani thinks so. Okay, so this is the last little clip on the vlog. I'm back. It's about 6:50, I think. Maybe 6:30. I don't know. Something like that. Let me look. 6:58. So basically 7 o'clock, and we got the shelves up, and I just wanted to show you guys because I'm so excited. Can y'all see them in the back? So nice. I love them. So let me turn y'all around and we're gonna check it out together. Sorry, Kaylani's little mess is to the left, but here's my fridge to the right, and here is those shelves. We have 1800, like I said, Merlot, red wine. We have my wine glasses up and some decorations. I think it turned out so pretty, but now I feel like I need one more shelf to complete the space. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. So freaking beautiful. Now that you guys have seen the shelves, I'm gonna go clean up. I don't know if y'all can see all this crap in the back, but definitely needs cleaning. And then watch my girl Sharika B. She's actually already on the TV. And go to bed. I'm so tired. It's been a long day. And honestly, everyone else is asleep, so I might as well be too. Alright, bye y'all. And please don't forget to like, comment, share. Let me know what y'all think about my DIY, my Ikea hack. I guess it wouldn't really be a DIY. My Ikea hack of turning picture shelves into a bar.